Hi guys, good morning. Ay, good afternoon pala. Ayan, aalis kami. Pupunta kami ng nanay. Ayan, inayos niya ako. Tinanggal ko ito. Nilagyan niya ako ng headband niya, kaya maliit. Pero pag sakay namin sa sasakyan, tatanggalin ko kasi syempre magtatrabaho ako doon. Aalis kami, pupunta kami sa bahay ng lola nila. Yung every Friday na pinupuntahan namin. Ayan, andyan na siya. Picturean daw niya ako kasi. Yes.
Turn to chair here.
Okay.
Say cheese.
Cheers! Pinipicturean niya ako. Cheers! Bago kami aalis, mag-upload muna ako. I don't know. Okay. Cheers! Yes.
I said not to do like that.
I said
Only
not
like
to-
that.
Only like that, heart daw. Okay, sige. Ano ko muna. Sige, heart.
Not like that.
What?
Like that. Put this
This-
one here.
This one?
No, like that.
Just like this?
Yeah, like that.
Tinuturoan niya ako. Okay. Tapos i-picture niya ako. Finish?
No,
Yes. Thank you.
not
Kalas, bye.
finish.
Not finish? Okay.